Good morning. Hi. I just wanted to make a video showing you some Christmas cards I made. I know I just posted ones from this same box, and it's the box from Griffin greeting card kit, and look at all the extras I have in here. But I changed it up and I used a die that I got from Anna, and so I wanted to show you. This die is right here. I use this die, and it is called the 3D Madonna frame. And this is what I used to make the cards I'm going to show you now. And at the very end, I'll show you how I inlaid them so that you could tell and how to inlay. So it's a walkthrough tutorial. So this is it. So I used her card. I already had the sentiment inside, and then all the embellishments and stuff came from the red box I just showed you, but the die is what I used. And then I don't know if you can tell that I inlaid colors, and this is part of the die and all. And I think I did use paper. I added paper to the cards so that it would pop the color, and see how raised and all. Here's one where you can see the inlaid a little better, the gold with the blue and all. But everything else came from the sentiments, and the stuff came from that box and these cards. So all I did was really just use a die, and instead of just what she had. This one needs a sentiment, so I need to do that, which I do have some. I don't know why. There's two of them without sentiments. Or, yeah, there's two. These two I need to add a sentiment, but look how beautiful. So this is the die when it's cut. And then you put tape, just tape that you would wrap a gift with, and you tape it, and it's sticking this way. So you tape it, and then you get the inlays, and when you put it down, it sticks to it and stays in place. So there's tape holding those, there's a little fly. There's tape holding the inlay pieces, and then you just layer it that comes with it. The die has different layers and all. And then you pop dot it, and you pop dot this to go on back of that. So, and then it came with a star. So that's how we did that. So hopefully you can learn how to inlay or raise your dies, and this is part of the die too. So let me show you the die one more time now. So you get a round piece, you get this piece, you get this inner piece. There's so much. So yeah, hopefully you like it. Have a blessed day.